Reporting to you live from jnequipment.com. We're just going to do a quick unboxing of the new Graco UltraMax 2 490 PC Pro featuring BlueLink job and sprayer management system. If you're on the market for a paint sprayer this year, I would definitely recommend you get a new 2019 model because they're going to come with a bunch of new features that the 2018 models did not have, and I just want to go over a couple of those features now. One of the really cool new things that Graco released this year, which is now coming with all their 2019 paint sprayers, is the Contractor PC Gun. This gun by far is the greatest airless gun on the market right now. Graco has really gone above and beyond on this new model. There's so many new features on this gun that I'm actually going to make its own video for this gun. So if you're looking for information on the Graco Contractor PC Gun, I'll have a video link in the description so you can go over that. It's a really cool new gun. Definitely going to want that. Another neat new feature that the new 490 PC Pro has is the BlueLink job and sprayer management system. What that is it's an app that you can download on your Android or Apple devices, which is going to let you connect your paint sprayer with the app. That's going to give you a bunch of new features. So let's actually go over the app right now. Jumping into the app, we are greeted by a welcome screen, which you will see for the first time when you open the Graco BlueLink app. This will highlight some of the features of the app, and once we get past that, it's going to give you an option to create an account, log in, or continue as guest. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in here and enable my phone's Bluetooth feature. As you can see, pretty quickly it's detected the 490 PC Pro in our demonstration, and we'll click on the connect button. Once connected, it's immediately displaying real-time stats on this unit. Since it hasn't been used and the pressure is turned all the way down, it's letting us know that we are currently running at 0 psi and 0 gallons have been sprayed. Tapping the gear icon on the top right displays my sprayer settings, which show my model, serial number, series, and part number. Another useful feature here is error tracking, which would come in very useful for troubleshooting issues. Tapping back to the sprayer info, I could select track sprayer at the top of the screen and physically track the last known location of the sprayer. This will be extremely useful for crews with multiple machines on different job sites, helping you keep track of your Graco sprayer at all times. Tapping back again to the main screen, I'll select my sprayer and tap Maintenance Request at the bottom of the screen next to the wrench icon. Here, you or your employees can immediately send a maintenance request and even dial down what the issue is, so that you can be prepared for required maintenance. First, you select priority level of the repair. Red being urgent, something preventing you from using the equipment. Yellow needs attention, requires attention soon but isn't keeping you from working. Green, low, something that would be nice to have but not absolutely required. By clicking request type, you can select the type of issue you are having, and below you can enter details to specify where the issue is happening. Tapping save will send this report to the machine's owner and managers. Next, we can tap Daily Field Report at the bottom of the screen next to the clipboard icon. Here, we can log the jobs completed that day, how much material was received, any extra work, delays, subcontractor progress, and notes. Tapping Save will send this report to the machine's owner and managers. There are many more features available in this app, but we just wanted to do a quick primer on what we believe are some of the most useful features. Thanks for watching, and check us out on jnequipment.com if you have any questions.